Hi, today we are going to make website pages using container and flexbox container. This is flexbox container, right? So we can make use of this and then make the first section like this. There are two columns. Here you have a text, you have a divider and the title, and then text, and then two buttons here. And then here is an image here. And then another one is, you have got three columns, and you have a background image, and then background layout, and then on top of it you have icon, text and title here. There are three containers inside one container. You can see a container here, you can see container 1, 2, 3, all the three containers. And here again you can see here container, container, container. All these things are there. Therefore we will see how to do all these things in a website. Right? So what I will do is, first I will take a two column. So two columns are there, and then I will make the background. I'll just style. I selected this, and then I will take this, and then I will take this global. Which color I will take? I will take this last color. So this is a good color, right? Any color you can take, dark color you can take, and then I am going to take this. And I am going to increase the size of the thing. Please note, in the style, if you can select this column and then layout, this height, pixels, no, I make it as a vertical height, and then I can increase it to 100. Right? 100 means full width, full height. In a mobile also you can see it in full height. And every monitor you can see it in full height. That is what it is there. Now here this also we can increase it. The width also you can increase it or decrease it. See here. See here, it is decreasing. Are you seeing? Right. So what we will do is, we will make it as, I think it is 1134, 1140, something like that. Right. Let it be. $1140. I'll make it as 1140. Right? Okay, 1140, or see, we'll close it. So you can see this full height, right? You can have a gap on other sides, top, bottom, you have. So let it be like this. So now I'm going to take this container, and then I'm going to add inside that container a text element. A text element is it. I'm going to add a text element. It is inside. See here, it has gone on top. Now I am going to add a divider. Add a divider. I'll just type divider. Divider has come. Divider has come. Oh God! I have put the divider on the side. Therefore, what I will do is, I will put Ctrl Z. So I will add this divider again. Where is this divider? So this is the divider here. And I will have to see that rose color, no, thick column should be horizontal. See here, it has come also. Now I have to leave. So now it has come. Now I will make the color of this style, and then advanced content I will put. So color is there, the color is not there. So all advanced. I put style. Yeah, now you have got the color. Now color, what I will make it as, I will make this color as green. And if you want, I will make the weight as 1.5. That's all. And then I will, this width also I will reduce. Gap also I will reduce. Gap, right. I will go to the style. And then content. Content width is 100. So I will reduce it to here. It depends upon what is the message here. So I will here, my message is Lean Six Sigma. Learn Lean Six Sigma here. So I will go here and reduce the width accordingly. Right. 35. 35 is okay. Right. And this color also I will make it as visible color. Visible color is this one, pure white. Clear? And all the other typography and all you can make it as I'll make it as secondary. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. So now I have to add a title here. So now I'll add an element, title element here. Yes. Now here. Now I'll add the title here. Whatever title I have given here, getting green belt made easier, right? I'll just make it as getting lean 6 sigma set getting black belt. I'll put getting black belt just made easier, right? I'll make the style, make it as white again, and then size also I'll make it very big, right? Okay, and then I'll make the style as not normal decoration. No, there is a style, no? I just want to check up. Transform, uppercase, capitalize. So all these words are capitalized. So you can go through this and then do any modification that you want. And then what is that next thing we want? And then one more text. And then what is being done in your website. Therefore, I'll add an element, text here. See here, I should not leave. I'm holding my mouse. Now I can leave, right? So this also style, I'll make it as white. This is here. Theme color is white. And then I can go to the content and then type whatever I want. For the present, what I will do is I'll go here. I'll just copy this. Control C, and then come back, click here for editing. Now I'll just go to Control B. This has come here. So this is what is being done. If you want to increase the size, you can increase the size, 3 lines or something like that. But I will leave it three lines here. Therefore, what I will do here, see, I'll just put copy. And then come here, paste style. That's all. So you are getting the same style here. Now underneath this, I have to add a button. If I add a button, no, I can't add 2 buttons here. See here, I add a button. If I add another button, edit another button here, I can't go. I can go only here. This will confuse my case, right? So I want it inside this. Therefore, what I will do is I'll add a container and then add this, right? So I'll add a container. And then I will take this, click it and take it inside. And then I will add one more button. I can duplicate here. Now I can put it side by side, because now you know Flexbox container, you can put the direction this way. Now in this way it is vertical way, but I have to put it here, right? I can name this as 1. I'll make it as click 1. I'll make it as click 1, and then I'll make this as click 2. See, now if you want click 1 here and click 2 here, all I need to do is do this. That's all. Sorry. See, click to 1, click 1 is there. Click 1 here, click 2 here, right? So if I go there, click 2 here, click 1 here. If I make this, click to here, click one here, right? All you can change. You can make this click one here or click to here. You don't have to go and change the style and text here. Automatically the buttons will be reversed or put it in any order you like. That is the beauty of it, right? So probably if you want to, you can make the button rounding also. So make this style, radius is there. So you can increase the radius. See here, you can see the radius increase, right? Okay, and then this you can copy this here, but you know the radius 15 mm, therefore you can also make this as radius here, style, and then type here 15. That's all. The same thing has come, right? And if you want to adjust this here like this, see, you can make it like this. This is called space around. This is space evenly, right? This is space evenly. All the three spaces are evenly, and this is space between because in the end, and this is on this end, and this is this fag end, and this is one center, right? Together the end or this end or center or spaced between this end or, and we can also make the changes in the gap between the two. See here? So that also you can do it, right? So all you can do it here. Now this completes. Now we'll go for the second column. Here I have to add an image, right? So I'll take add an element. I have to take an image. So this image I'll put here, right? And then I'll go here, choose an image here. I'll choose this image. Right? This is the image I have chosen. I'll just see here. Now what we can now do is, see, we can adjust this or we can increase the height of the image. I will first tell you how to increase the height of this image. This. Now this is the image, right? I will go to this style and maximum width. Height is there, no? This height I will increase here. I will just show you. Height I am going to increase here. See here, it is coming, it is coming, it is coming, it is coming here, it is coming here. And then I can make it 600 also. See, it has come down up to this point. So all this is in your hand, right? So I'll make it as 500 like before. And this height can be reduced. This height you can reduce. I'll just go there, here go down. And the height is 900, no? I'll show you. So what I will do is, I'll just decrease height. That's all, where you want. This is how you made the first section, which is same as this, right? Okay. And if this is not of the same size and style, all you need to do is, I'll put copy. And then what you do is, I'll come here, paste style. That's all. See, it has got adjusted. Here again, I can make the same way, style you can save here. And if you want to bring it closer, you can reduce the margin or padding or whatever be it. All you can do it, right? Okay. And we'll go to the second session. Now I am going to add 3 containers inside a container. So this is a container. I am taking a container with arrow in the horizontal direction. Then only if I take the second container, it will go inside. Otherwise, if I take this, no, the container will go below the container. So I don't want to go below the container. I want to go inside the container. Now this is the thing, right? Now I will add a container. The container is already there. So I'll add one. I'll add one more container. Container 2. And I'll add one more container. 3 containers. And I'm going to take the second container. See here, second container. This is second container. In this, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add a image. So I'll go there, style, background, not background overlay, background, classic. I have to choose an image. What I will do is, I'll choose this image, right? Select. Okay. Now this is like this, no? I just want this to be covering fully. So what I will do is, I will go down. And the display size, I want to make it as cover. right? So it is covering the entire thing. And then position, I will make it as center. Right? Now what I am going to do is, I am going to go to the first container now. The first container, I am going to add a background overlay. And I am going to add a gradient. Gradient means there will be at the bottom one color, top one color. So it will be slowly varying. So first color, in the top it should be white, at the bottom it should be black. Therefore I will make it as transparent here. That means top is transparent. And the second color, what I should do? This color, I am going to take it as black. Right? It is done. So it has added a background overlay. You can see here it's a dark here, and then after you go, it will be white here. Now again, what I will do is, I am going to add an element here. What is the element here? The spacer. You can use divider or spacer. I am going to use spacer. Divider means you can see it, this will not be visible. Therefore, spacer I will add here. And then I will increase the spacer as 200. So I will make it as 200 here. 200. Right. So underneath I am going to add this. Right. Now I am going to add an icon. Image. I will add an image and make it as an icon. Right. See here, I am adding an image. Now this image I will choose an image. I am going to choose this image. Right. Okay. I will select. Now I am going to make the image size full, and then style, I will make this width, the maximum width as pixel, 14. See here it is 14 and full width, and I am going to make it to the left extreme. So it has gone to the left extreme. Under this I have to add a text and then the title, right? So what I will do is, under this I will have to add a text and title. All I can do is, I can just copy this text and then put this. See, copy and then come down. Once again, text editor I will add here. Paste. So that is pasted. I will delete this now. Right? You can directly add also, but to be on the safer side, I wanted to know where it is. So underneath I have to add the title here. Now what I will do is, you can add the title, copy the title below this and the structure also. What I will do is, I will show the structure here sideways. So the structure is there. All I need to do is, under the text editor, this is the text editor referring here, I have to bring it below this. I will see where the title is there. I can see title is, there is a title, no? This is the heading. So I will just copy, duplicate. So this duplicated, I am just going to bring it all the way down and then put it here. Oh God. Yes, I am going to bring it here. See, it has come. Clear? Now if you want, this is like this. So, or you can copy it and paste it also there, no problem. But what I will do is here, this is how it looks, right? So if you want, you can make it as smaller one. Go to the style. You want to make it topography, style, make it a single also, right? Right? Or if you want, like this. Now see the beauty of it now. We have taken all the trouble. All you need to do is, you have to duplicate. Right? You have to take the first container, say duplicate, see it has come. And then one more time, duplicate. See here, all you need to do is, I will close this. Now you want to make any modifications, you can make any modifications, right? You can make modifications. Say, for example, I'll make the topography. I'll make to say it is like this. Then all I need to do is Control C, copy, and then paste style. And then here again, paste style. So this is how you can make the thing. And now you can go there and then make the modifications and all these things. Why I have made this background overlay? So that this is clearly visible, right? So I have added a overlay, black to white, and therefore I am able to see this very clearly. Thank you very much. I hope you have understood how to make use of container and Flexbox in making a website more neat and beautiful. Thank you again.